Hello everyone! Vehicle electrification in all segments is going at lightning speed. More agreements announced to secure product capacity for the future projects. Exciting news for the industry. As for the news, stay tuned, as next week more exciting announcements are planned. And now, let's check what is new in Power Semiconductors industry. Vitesco Technologies, a leading international manufacturer of modern drive technologies and electrification solutions, has secured strategically important capacities in energy-efficient silicon carbide power semiconductors through a long-term supply partnership with ROHM, worth over $1 billion until 2030. The development partnership with the manufacturer ROHM, which began in 2020, created the basis for the supply partnership now signed in Regensburg. Vitesco Technologies' advanced inverters with integrated ROHM silicon carbide chips will be adopted by two customers to be applied inside electric vehicle powertrains. Toyoda Gosei and Power have jointly developed a high-performance horizontal gallium nitride power device that will lead to improved performance in the power converters used in solar power generation and other equipment. World-class power of 800 volt and on-off operation of 1 millionth of a second was confirmed using a module equipped with an originally designed gallium nitride power device under development by Toyoda Gosei and Power. Airbus, a global pioneer in the aerospace industry, and STMicroelectronics have signed an agreement to cooperate on power electronics research and development to support more efficient and lighter power electronics, essential for future hybrid power aircraft and fully electric urban air vehicles. The collaboration builds on evaluations already conducted by both companies to explore the benefits of wide bandgap semiconductor materials for aircraft electrification. Wide bandgap semiconductors, like silicon carbide and gallium nitride, have superior electrical properties compared with traditional semiconductors like silicon. They enable the development of smaller, lighter, and more efficient high-performance electronic devices and systems, particularly in applications requiring high power, high frequency, or high temperature operations. Toshiba Electronics Europe has introduced a new series of N-channel power MOSFETs. The first product in the 600 volt series is based on Toshiba's latest generation process with a super junction structure. The new MOSFET features RDS(on) of only 55 mA. Target applications include high-efficiency switching power supplies in data centers, power conditioners for photovoltaic generators, and uninterruptible power systems. AscenPower, a Chinese silicon carbide power device supplier, has begun mass-producing a series of vehicle and industrial-controlled silicon carbide chips. Guangzhou-based AscenPower is currently the largest silicon carbide chip manufacturing project in China that focuses on vehicle chips with the ability to support large-scale industrial clusters and the entire industry chain. Alpha and Omega Semiconductor announced it has redesigned its corporate logo to better reflect the company's position as a cutting-edge technology provider and its ongoing commitment to innovations. The updated logo has a fresh, contemporary look, but keeps some original elements that reinforce company's history of success and industry stability. The logo redesign was part of the complete upgrade of the website that launched in January 2023. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. More Power Semiconductors market news coming next month. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me in LinkedIn. Have a great day!